Hi everybody, my name is Miss Susan. I'm the school liaison for the Matteson Public Library and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to introduce our new Google Sites, Good Books for Kids and Teens. All you have to do is type in bit.ly/MAPLD-booklist and make sure that you put the S on the end of booklist so that you get to the right location. Okay, so as you see, once you put in the Google Sites web address, you're going to come to this page. It says Good Books for Kids and Teens from the Matteson Area Public Library. Now there's two different ways that you can get to the site. You can either click on the three lines right here, and as you can see, it shows you kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and so on. You can click on one of these links to get to the book list, or what you could do is you can go ahead and scroll up. And you'll see like K is for kindergarten, 1 is first grade, second grade, third grade, all the way up to sixth grade. So let's say that we have a second grader that we're looking for books. We'll click on the 2 and it's going to redirect us to the site that says Good Books for Second Graders. Now we have a choice. I'll lift this up a little bit so you can see. You can either click on ebooks or books, either way. So say for example, I just want to come into the library and get a book for my second grader. Then it says to learn more about a book, or if you would like to check it out, click on the book cover. So if you scroll up, these are just some examples of favorite books from kids. This is not our whole collection. We'll continue to add more books as time goes on, but this is just to give you a start. Let's say I love this book, Stink, the Incredible Shrinking Kid. So what I'm going to do is click on it, and it's going to redirect me to the Matteson Area Public Library site where I could, if I want to, I could either place a hold on that book if I want it, or if I just want to find out what it's about, then I could read the description right here. It also gives me the Lexile number. And it also gives me how many AR points that it's, the grade level and how many AR points. So it gives me all of this detail. It also shows me, here's the Matteson Area Public Library. It shows me that it's on shelf 2. If this is not my home library, it'll show me all the other libraries that has this book. So you don't have to be a Matteson Area Public Library patron in order to use the Google Sites to check out books. It also shows you what other libraries it has. So let's hit the back button and let's take a look again, and let's click on ebooks. And so again, to learn more about a book, or if you would like to check it out, click on the book cover. So again, there is a variety of different book choices. Some are the same as regular books, some are different. Looks like we have Stink, the Incredible Shrinking Kid as an ebook. So let's click on that. It takes us to our media on demand site. Now, I have this app on my phone, which you'll see in another video, how to download the Libby app to get access to the media on demand. If you don't have it, it'll ask you to do it. But if I want to borrow it, I click borrow. And then what it'll do, again, it'll ask you to sign in. So you go ahead and look for your home library. Click on that, so where I am Matteson Area Public Library, and then it'll ask for your library card and your PIN number, and then if so, go ahead and sign in if you created an account. If not, it'll work you through the steps to be able to create an account to have access to your ebooks. Now the last thing that I want to show you today is, so that you don't have to type in this all the time, is I want to show you how you can get your own app, for lack of a better word. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So once you type in the web address, what I want you to do on your phone, and every phone is different. This is Android, so I definitely know what Android is. On my Android phone, it says add to home screen. So all I did was I clicked add to home screen. You could either leave it the tile that I have it, Maple Booklist, or you can change it. It's up to you. Click add, and it says shortcut to Maple Booklist is added to the home page. So see how it added another one? I'm sorry, I'm not an iPhone user, so I'm not sure how to do it, but I do know on Android, this is all you have to do. That way, if I ever need a book for my child, I could always just click on the link. It comes directly here. Then all I have to do is click on the grade, and then I can go ahead and look for the ebooks or the audiobooks to be able to check it out for my students. All right, well, that's it. Again, my name is Miss Susan, School Liaison for the Matteson Area Public Library. If you want to know about all the fun things that are going on here, just visit us on the web at www.mapld.org. Or if you want to find out or get notifications for the next how-to tutorials, just go ahead and click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel and ring that bell so you can always get notified of all the fun things that we're doing. Thanks so much for watching us. Looking forward to seeing you back here soon. Bye.